How to leave multiple WhatsApp groups at once. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be covering the topic that says how to leave multiple WhatsApp groups at once. So with that, here is the thing. WhatsApp does not have leave all group button. So here you have to leave groups one by one, and you can do it quickly too. And in this video, I'll show you how you can do it. So here, first thing first, open the WhatsApp app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, then what you can do is just go to the groups that you want to leave. And now here, once you're inside it, what you can do is just tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, from the drop down menu, just tap on more, and there you'll see the option labeled as exit group. So simply tap on it and confirm it, and once you do that, you'll be able to exit the group on WhatsApp. So here you can simply repeat this process for all the groups that you want to leave, and that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.